here's the step-by-step video of how you have to register and start for the Zero to AI Builder Hackathon 2026. And this is for Ramaya Institute of Technology. So only students of Ramaya Institute of Technology will have to participate in this. So first, head towards the hackathon page and then to the register now button. Okay, now if you are an individual, then just uh, head towards individual and register, click on the register now button. And if you forming a team, okay, so this is for team leader. Just enter the team name and the other two members, the name and the email. Do not write here your name or your email, because it is taken as you are only the one registering the team. So just add the team name, add the both members name, and that's it, complete your team formation. Okay. And third thing, if someone is looking for a team, okay, so just register as an individual, and once you are registered, go to team formation. Yeah. So here you can see the number of participants which are currently live and are individuals. So here will be all participants. Here are the solo participants. And if you have to form a team, so you can send request from here to the one. Let's say I want Shri. So I am sending the request to him regarding that. Please join my team. Okay. So yeah, as soon as it accept the request, you will both form a team, and if it rejects, it will come here. And if any request received to you, here it will be updated. Now how to start? Okay, so here you can see all the details regarding what you have to do and what are the needed things in this. And let's start with enter the arena button. So once you enter in the arena page, here you can see the arena tab, the networking tab, and the feedback and mentoring tab. Okay, so in arena, just go to select the problem statement. Here you can see, like, yeah, there are four problem statements and one is for open innovation. So just choose any one of the problem statement. Let's say I want to go with finance. Okay, so I had selected. Now open architecture copilot. Here you have to create the full-fledged architecture for the round one, and your problem statement, which you can see from here. And we had also given mentor agent, where it will help you during the process of the entire hackathon. Every doubt you have regarding any technical doubt, any form of doubt, it can answer. Like, the mentor agent can answer everything. Okay. And here's the architecture tab, where you can describe your prompts, describe your problem statement, and according to that you have to create full-fledged production ready system architecture of your solution. And please keep in mind that architecture would be created, and on that basis, if you selected, you have to create the agent in round 2. So make sure to make and have the quality of architecture copilot like that. And here you can chat with your team members too, like your personal chat. uh, so yeah, here you can get the history of what you had worked till now. And now comes to networking tab. So here you can chat with your if you have a team, you can chat with your team. The general is for all. So here you can uh, chat with anyone who is there in the hackathon. And yeah, and coming to the feedback and mentoring, once you submit your entire project, you will be getting personalized feedback on it, and on that basis you can update your architecture, and according to that you can make it better. So yeah, that's it. So register now and start with the architecture diagram and PRD. Okay. Rest details will be shared in the group. So stay updated and all the best.